Renee Rejoice Rico here. Hi everybody. I want to you with a quick video. I wanted to come to you just to have a little chat, you know what I mean? And I wanted to talk about one mail call. I got some mail and a little seed harvest. You know, I have some purple basil, which I find so beautifully interesting. And I just wanted to come to this video to actually chat about the Black Seed Exchange just a little bit, and a little bit about the Black Gardeners Unite YouTube group. And so the reason why I think it's important to join these kinds of things is because of networking. You know what I mean? Networking. You never know what you might or who you might meet, right, through these exchanges. And so the Black Seed Exchange, again, I keep telling you guys what it is. It's for those who have seeds to share and for those who want seeds. And we just go, we list all the seeds that we have, or we list all the seeds that we want, and some gracious person in the group will send you those seeds if they have them. Okay? When you do this, you will find that you will either get some exotic varieties, or you can actually look for some exotic varieties, because I think the Black Seed Exchange is really good for finding exotic varieties of seeds, you know, so you can grow things that you have never grown before. Also, just to experiment a little bit in your garden. But specifically, you know, the person who actually started the Black Seed Exchange, Diva Jones, thanks for the shout out. I'm shouting you out again. She was doing a video, and I remember I had said to her that I couldn't grow rosemary. I have the hardest time growing rosemary, okay? And when I grow the rosemary, which I have one outside, she's just dwindling away, and it's like probably the 5th time I've tried to grow it, right? And so she so graciously offered to send me some. Now, mind you, I'm of the person that if, you know, postage is way too much, I'll definitely forward that, you know what I mean? But if it's just seeds or something like that, I don't have a problem just mailing them to you. I really don't. But, you know. Anyway, so I was of the knowledge of not being able to mail things to California. Okay? California does not allow you to ship plants, green, you know, anything vegetative, okay? But I'm thinking that that's just for the businesses, because, you know, these businesses don't want to get, you know, I guess penalized or get their stuff sent back to them. But domestically, someone who wants to send you something, whether it's a clipping or whatever, I hope they can send, you know, other stuff. But clippings, I just wanted to share what she sent me, okay? And I know this video is probably all crazy, but, you know, it's a video. Now look at this. Look at how beautiful they are. Here's one. Okay, so she sent me these, and I mean, she sent me a lot of them. And so what I'm going to do, of course, obviously, is I'm going to go and transplant them. I mean, she sent me so many of them that I'm hoping at least one takes, but I'm going to be honest with her and with you guys and say that it's the same exact variety that I have outside that I'm not able to transplant. Okay, so I'm just going to take these and stick them in some dirt. I don't know if I should put anything specific on the bottoms of them, but I'm just going to go stick them in. Let's see what happens. I just think it's very beneficial for us to share, you know, what we might have. She's also doing pomegranates, which gave me the idea that I should do the same. You know, you plant these pomegranates, you let them grow up into a certain size, and then you sell them. Or you just give them away, depending on how you're feeling that day. But she has given me so much rosemary. Some of this I'm just going to take and just get to cooking it right quick, because, you know, fresh rosemary is good too, right? All right, so I just wanted to share this haul, you know, this not a haul, but this mail call. And I wanted to thank her specifically because no one has ever sent me some live plants before. So I am totally appreciative of that. Okay. Now, outside I have purple basil. Now she went to seed and I'm like, oh my God, I love this basil. I love the way she tastes. I love the way she looks. I love everything about it. And so when she went to seed, she had these beautiful purple, of course, because she's purple, she had these beautiful purple flowers on them. But as the purple flowers dry up, they dry into these little, hold on, let me see if I can change this down a little bit. These little stubby stubs, I call them, right? See what we can do. Okay, now here are some seeds that I already harvested. But what you do is you just basically grab one of these figure jigs off of there, believe it or not, and you just open it up, and all the seeds just fall. Now mind you, I had to go look at a video to see how to do this because I was not familiar with how to harvest basil seeds. But I noticed that most of the basils, all different varieties, they go to seed the same way. Okay, so they'll have, you know, this little stocky, looking thing standing on them. You let them dry out. But I was told that you can just rub them together like this. See? And you can just listen to all the seeds, watch all the seeds. They just all fall into the plate. And they have so many seeds, there's no way to damage them. There's so many seeds that fall off of these, right? And then, you know, the leftover parts, you can just literally blow them off and the seeds will stay. If depending on how hard you're blowing. But I just wanted to come out and do this video because it was very, I was very happy to get those clippings from the Diva Jones YouTube channel. Please go visit her channel.